Don't jump. Don't jump. Unless you know how to swim. Hi, baby. Hi, Fluffy. Fluffy cakes. Hi, Fluffy cakes. I love your tail. It's my big toe. Hi. Did you want to go swimming? Yeah? I wouldn't wet my tail if I were you. Looks perfect. Yeah. Hi, baby. Hi. You should come sit on the couch with me sometime. Yeah? I bet you if I put the hazelnuts up here, you'll jump right on up. Remember when you stole my doilies? Yeah, they never came back. Do you sleep with them? Yeah. Does it smell like me? I'm a goofball. Yeah, Mommy's being a goofball. Where's my doilies? For reals. I love the ones you stole. It had little sunflowers embroidered in it. Is that why you took it? Yeah, that's what I figured. Are your babies wrapped up in it? Yeah. Are your babies wrapped up in my doilies? You can have all the doilies you want, okay?